Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the control board on a Frigidaire refrigerator. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you can get notified when we post new videos. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we'll just need a 1/4-inch nut driver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always remember to disconnect your fridge by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before testing or making a repair. To access the control board, take out the filter. At the back of the refrigerator at the top, you should see a 1/4-inch screw on the right side behind where the filter is located. Remove this screw, then drop the cover down. There will be 2 1/4-inch screws on the corner of the left side that are recessed in. Remove both of them. We need to remove the 3 1/4-inch screws under the control panel. These will be recessed into the panel. Next, remove the 1/4-inch screw under the cover at the back of where the filter would be. Once all the screws have been removed, you should be able to drop the control housing down so you can access the control board. You'll need to remove this clear plastic piece, which is called a light pipe. Then pull the front of the control housing to release the control board. We have the power on during disassembly, so you can see what we are doing, but you should have it unplugged when you do it yourself. You may want to take a photo of the wires on the control board so that you have a reference for reconnecting the wires. You'll then need to disconnect all the wires coming from the harness. To install the new board, reconnect the wiring using the photo you took. Then slide the control board back into place and lock it into the tabs. Then reinstall the light pipe. We need to put the control housing back on the ceiling and install the 3 1/4-inch screws that hold the housing in place. Then install the 2 1/4-inch screws in the side panel at the upper left-hand side. Install a single 1/4-inch screw behind the water filter. Now you can put the cover back over the tubing, and once you install the 1/4-inch screw that holds it in place, you're done. You made it. Great job. And thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a replacement control board yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. Don't forget to plug your refrigerator back in or turn that breaker back on. And while you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.